Welcome to our journey through some of the most exquisite corners of Europe. Prepare to be enchanted as we venture off the beaten path to those little jewels, those perfectly formed small towns that time seems to have forgotten. And simply breathe in the magic of Hallstatt. Today's journey will be to the Netherlands, a land synonymous with canals and windmills, where we'll discover the captivating village of Giethoorn. Known as the Venice of the North, Giethoorn is a place where cars are but a distant memory. Here, life revolves around the water, its network of canals crisscrossing the village, lined with charming thatched roof cottages and arched wooden bridges. We'll glide silently through the waterways in a traditional whisper boat. The only sounds, the gentle lapping of water against wood and the chirping of birdsong. The pace of life here is wonderfully relaxed, the air filled with the scent of fresh-cut grass and blooming flowers. Take your time to stroll along the canal paths, stopping to admire the beautifully kept gardens or enjoy a coffee at a waterside cafe. Giethoorn is a photographer's dream, every corner revealing a postcard-perfect scene. As the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow over the canals, you'll understand why Giethoorn is considered one of the most romantic destinations in Europe. Our journey now takes us to the heart of the Alsace region in France, to the enchanting town of Colmar, where history whispers from every cobblestone and half-timbered house. Prepare to be captivated by a kaleidoscope of colours as we wander through the streets of Little Venice, Colmar's charming district with its canals and flower-laden bridges. The buildings, painted in a myriad of pastel hues, date back to the medieval period, their intricate facades a testament to the town's rich past. We'll lose ourselves in the charm of the old town, its narrow alleyways opening onto hidden squares, each with its own unique character. Be sure to visit the Maison Pfister, a stunning example of 16th century Alsatian architecture, and explore the delightful shops and cafes that line the streets. Colmar is a town that begs to be explored on foot. As we wander, we'll stumble upon bustling markets, tranquil gardens, and 1,000 photo opportunities. And as the aroma of freshly baked croissants and pain au chocolat wafts through the air, you'll be powerless to resist the allure of a traditional French patisserie. Prepare to be spellbound as we arrive in Bled, Slovenia, a town that seems to have sprung from the pages of a fairy tale. Dominating the landscape is the breathtaking Lake Bled, its emerald green waters reflecting the towering Julian Alps and the majestic Bled Castle, perched precariously on a sheer cliff overlooking the lake. It's a scene of almost unimaginable beauty, a perfect blend of nature's grandeur and architectural splendor. We'll take a traditional wooden boat known as a pletna to Bled Island, the only natural island in Slovenia. Here, nestled amongst the trees, is the iconic Church of the Assumption, its 99 steps beckoning visitors to make a wish and ring the church bell for good luck. Back on the mainland, a walk around the lake is a must, offering breathtaking views at every turn. And for the adventurous, a hike up to Bled Castle rewards you with panoramic vistas of the lake and surrounding mountains. As the sun dips behind the peaks, casting long shadows across the water, enjoy a slice of Bled's famous cream cake, kremsnitter, and savor the magic of this extraordinary place. Our European adventure now takes us to the heart of Bohemia, to the remarkably preserved medieval town of Cesky Krumlov, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that will transport you back in time. Imagine a town where the Vltava River meanders gracefully, its waters reflecting the image of a majestic castle perched high above. This is Cesky Krumlov, a place where history seems to seep from the very stones themselves. We'll wander through the cobbled streets lined with brightly colored houses adorned with intricate frescoes, each telling a story of the town's rich past. The town square, a bustling hub of activity, is overlooked by the imposing St. Vitus Church, its Gothic spire reaching for the heavens. No visit to Cesky Krumlov is complete without exploring the Cesky Krumlov Castle, one of the largest and most impressive castles in the Czech Republic. With its Renaissance halls, Baroque theatre and stunning gardens, the castle offers a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the noble families who once called it home. As evening descends, find a cozy tavern, sample some traditional Czech cuisine, and soak up the magical atmosphere of this perfectly preserved medieval gem. Hold your breath, dear travellers, as we venture north to the breathtaking Lofoten archipelago in Norway, to a fishing village that seems to cling precariously to the edge of the world. This is Reine, a place where rugged mountains plunge dramatically into the sea, their snow-capped peaks reflected in the crystal-clear waters below. Imagine a palette of the most vibrant greens, blues and greys, the dramatic landscape dotted with colourful fishing huts, known as råbur. Their red and white facades are stark contrast to the surrounding natural wonders. These traditional huts, once home to generations of fishermen, now offer cozy accommodation for those seeking an authentic taste of life in the Arctic Circle. We'll take a ribboat tour through the fjords, marvelling at the towering cliffs, hidden coves and abundant wildlife. Look out for sea eagles soaring overhead, their wingspans wider than you can imagine. And if you're lucky, you might even spot a playful pod of dolphins or a majestic whale breaching the surface of the water. Reine is a paradise for hikers with trails leading to panoramic viewpoints that will take your breath away. And for those seeking a truly unforgettable experience, a kayaking trip through the fjords under the glow of the midnight sun is an absolute must. As the sun dips low on the horizon, casting a golden glow over the dramatic landscape, you'll understand why Reine is considered one of the most beautiful and awe-inspiring destinations on Earth. Prepare to be enchanted as we journey to Sintra, Portugal, a town steeped in history, romance and a touch of fairy tale magic, just a stone's throw from the bustling capital city of Lisbon. Imagine a verdant landscape of rolling hills, covered in lush forests and dotted with extravagant palaces, whimsical castles and exotic gardens. This is Sintra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has captivated artists, writers and dreamers for centuries. We'll wander through Peña National Palace, its vibrant colours and eclectic architectural styles a testament to the whimsy of King Ferdinand II, who transformed a ruined monastery into a fairy tale castle. Be sure to explore the palace's extensive gardens, a botanical wonderland home to exotic plants from around the globe. Next, we'll descend into the mystical world of Quinta da Regalera, an estate shrouded in symbolism and mystery. Explore its hidden grottos, underground tunnels, and the iconic Initiation Well, its spiral staircase leading down to the depths of the earth. As the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow over the town, we'll make our way to the Moorish castle, its ancient walls offering breathtaking panoramic views of Sintra and the surrounding countryside. Sintra is a feast for the senses, a place where history, nature and imagination collide in a symphony of beauty and wonder. Today I'll take you to the heart of Bavaria, Germany, to a town that seems to have stepped straight out of the pages of a Grimm's fairy tale. This is Rothenburg ob der Tauber, a perfectly preserved medieval town encircled by ancient walls and watched over by soaring towers. Imagine cobbled lanes winding between half-timbered houses, their facades adorned with colourful flowers and intricate carvings. The scent of gingerbread wafts through the air, tempting you into traditional bakeries, while shops overflow with handcrafted toys, cuckoo clocks, and Christmas decorations year-round. We'll walk the ramparts, following the footsteps of medieval guards, taking in breathtaking views of the town and the surrounding countryside. Be sure to visit the iconic Plonline, a picturesque corner that perfectly captures the town's charm, and climb the town hall tower for panoramic vistas. No visit to Rothenburg is complete without experiencing the magic of the Kater Wohlfahrt Christmas village, a year-round celebration of Christmas with its twinkling lights, festive decorations and endless array of ornaments. As evening descends, find a cozy tavern, enjoy a hearty German meal, and listen for the sound of the night watchman making his rounds, his lantern casting flickering shadows on the ancient walls. Rothenburg ob der Tauber is a place where time seems to stand still, a true medieval gem that will capture your heart and leave you longing to return. Prepare to be swept away by the beauty of the Cinque Terre, a string of 5 ancient villages clinging to the rugged Italian Riviera coastline. And amongst these jewels, Manarola shines brightly, a vision of pastel-coloured houses seemingly stacked one atop another, cascading down a steep cliff to the turquoise waters of the Ligurian Sea. Imagine a maze of narrow alleyways and steep staircases connecting the different levels of the village, each turn revealing breathtaking views of the sea and the surrounding vineyards that cling precariously to the terraced hillsides. We'll lose ourselves in the charm of Manarola, savouring the scent of freshly baked focaccia bread, exploring the tiny shops selling local crafts and limoncello, and watching the fishermen mend their nets in the harbour, their colourful boats bobbing gently on the water. For the adventurous, the famed hiking trails of Cinque Terre beckon, offering breathtaking views of the coastline and connecting Manarola to its neighbouring villages. And for a truly unforgettable experience, take a dip in the crystal-clear waters of the Ligurian Sea, the perfect way to cool off after a day of exploring. As the sun begins its descent, casting a golden glow over the village and turning the sea a fiery orange, find a table at a waterfront restaurant, order a glass of local wine, and savour the magic of Manarola, a place that will stay with you long after you've said arrivederci. Our journey today will be to Bruges, Belgium, a city often referred to as the Venice of the North for its network of canals that crisscross the heart of the historic centre, reflecting the beauty of its medieval architecture and creating a scene of timeless charm. Imagine stepping back in time as we wander through cobbled squares, surrounded by guild halls, churches and elegant merchants' houses, their step-gabled facades whispering tales of a rich and prosperous past. The air is filled with the aroma of freshly made waffles and the richest, most decadent chocolate you can imagine. We'll take a boat tour along the canals, gliding under arched bridges and past hidden gardens, admiring the city from a unique perspective. Be sure to visit the marked Bruges bustling market square, dominated by the iconic Belfry of Bruges, its 47 bells chiming out across the city. A visit to Bruges wouldn't be complete without indulging in some of the finest chocolate in the world. Step inside a traditional chocolatery, watch master chocolatiers at work, and savour the rich velvety smoothness of Belgian chocolate. As evening descends, find a cosy pub, sample some local beers, and raise a toast to Bruges, a city that effortlessly blends history, beauty, and a love of good living.